At the elite university, 500 students study computer science or electrical engineering or both. So from the first line, it looks like it's a question of overlapping sets and there are two sets only. So I'm going to make a grid of 2 by 2. And here we have the grid. In the first column, I'm writing the students who have taken computer science. Column second, students who are not taking computer science, students taking electrical engineering, and students not taking electrical engineering. Because all the students are taking at least one of them, so this cell becomes 0 because there is no student who takes none of them. Total number of students is 500, so that's the primary information that we have. Now, if 100 of these students do not study electrical engineering, so 100 students do not study electrical engineering, so this number becomes 100, which means the number above becomes 500 minus 100, that is equal to 400. And because we have 100 here and 0 here, so sum of these two numbers is supposed to be written here, so this number also becomes 100. Now, how many of these students study both the computer science and electrical engineering? So we have to find out the value of this region. To answer the value of this region, we must know that if we get any value of either of these three regions, we would be able to answer the question. Let's quickly look at the first statement. Of the 500 students, 90 do not study computer science. So here, if I mark them A, B, C and D, where I have to find the value of D, I know that the first statement says 90 do not study computer science, so B equals to 90, that means C also is equal to 90, which means D becomes equal to 400 minus 90, that is 310. So B equal to 90 leads us to the value of D, which is equal to 310. So the first statement is clearly sufficient to answer the question, leaving us only two choices out of the 5 choices because B, C and E options can be now ruled out. The second statement says a total of 410 students study computer science. So the second statement says that the region which is represented by A is 410. If we write the value of A equal to 410, by subtracting 410 from 500, we can find the value of B, which is 90, and that once again leads us to the value of D. Or alternatively, from this 410, you just have to subtract this 100. 410 minus 100 becomes the value of D, which is equal to 310. So the second statement also is alone sufficient to answer the question, and answer to the question becomes option D. That means each statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.